Here's how to fully lock down your microphone in Windows. 3 layers most people never check. Setting 1. Disable Cloud Speech Recognition. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Speech. Turn off online speech recognition. By default, Windows sends your voice samples to Microsoft's servers to improve their AI. Turning this off means your voice stays on your device only. Setting 2. The App Backdoor. Go back to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Microphone. Most people flip the main toggle at the top and assume they are done. That is wrong. Scroll all the way to the bottom and find Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone. This section controls older legacy programs that can bypass the main switch entirely. Review the list carefully, and if you do not recognize an app, remove it or turn the global toggle off. Setting 3. The Hardware Leak. Open Control Panel, then Hardware and Sound, then Sound, then the Recording tab. Right-click your microphone, select Properties, and go to the Listen tab. If Listen to this device is checked, your microphone is constantly feeding audio back through your speakers even when you are not on a call. Uncheck it. This ensures your mic is an input tool only, not a broadcast tool. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.